Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make these 5 beer cocktails. Pretty simple to make. As always, I'm gonna leave the recipe in the descriptions for you, as well as links for some of my products. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for the first one we need beer, fresh lime juice, and some salt. Alright, I'm gonna start by rimming the glass with salt. Next, I'm gonna add ice. The juice of a lime. A pinch of salt. And I'm gonna pour some of the beer here. I'm gonna mix this a little bit. And I'm just gonna pour the rest of the beer. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make the chelada. Alright, let's move to the next one. Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need beer and red soda. I got Jarrito fruit punch here. Alright, simply I'm just gonna add 60% beer. And 40% red soda. And that's how you make the Chabela. Alright, let's move to the third one. Alright, so this is another easy one. All we need is beer and amaretto. Alright, I'm gonna take a sip. And I'm gonna add 2 ounces of amaretto. And that's how you make the beer pepper. Now this one tastes exactly like Dr. Pepper. Before we move into the next cocktail, if you're liking the video so far, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Alright, let's move to the next one. Alright, this one is another super easy, only 2 ingredients. We're gonna need beer and Coke. Alright, so for this one, we're gonna pour 70% beer. and 30% Coke. And that's how you make the Choleada. All right, let's move to the last one. Alright, so for the last one we're gonna need Tequila Silver, Corona, Grenadine, and orange juice. Alright, I'm gonna drink a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna add 1 ounce of tequila. One ounce of orange juice. I'm using fresh orange juice. You can use regular. And 1/4 of an ounce of grenadine. That's how you make the Corona Sunrise. All right, let's give them a try. Oh, this is so good. It's refreshing, and I can definitely taste some of the lime. I'll give it 9 out of 10. All right, let's try the next one. All right, so this one is slightly sweet. I'll give it 8 out of 10. Let's try the next one. This is the one with Coke. I think I like this one a little better than the red one. This one I can taste both at the same time. I'll give it 8.5 out of 10. All right, let's try the next one. This is the one with amaretto. It tastes just like Dr. Pepper. If you're a Dr. Pepper fan, you're definitely gonna love this one. I'll give it 9 out of 10. And this is the Corona Sunrise. All right, let's give it a try. Cheers. I can definitely taste some of the orange juice. It's refreshing and slightly sweet. I'll give it 9.5 out of 10. Overall, they're really tasty, but my favorite one was the Chelada. This one is really fresh and refreshing. And that's how you make these 5 beer cocktails. All right, let me know in the comments which one of these was your favorite. And if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers.